If you're watching this video, probably means you have a vintage Bozak CMA mixer. Most of these mixers were equipped with two phono stages, channel 1 and channel 2. You could add additional phono stages to channel 3 and 4. Tools you will need to accomplish this. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a needle nose plier, and about 15 minutes of your time and patience. Let's start the installation process. Place your mixer on the table. Make sure the lights are bright. Remove the 5 screws indicated. You can now remove the cover and place it aside. These 2 cards indicated are normally factory install cards for your phono stages 1 and 2. Depending on your options, if you need phono stage 3 and 4, you'll be installing 2 cards. Let's get a close-up of the inside. This is channel 3. We're going to move this blue jumper from the front pin to the back pin. And this purple pin from the front to the back. Now, if you have a 4th additional card, we need to do the same on channel 4. From the front to the back. Purple wire from the front to the back. And now you have finished. Here is a close-up view of the socket. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When installing the card, hold the card by the edges. Do not press into or touch the components. The first pin to your left is pin 1. It's sometimes easier to put that pin in first and then guide the other pins into the slots. The pins might be a little bit out of alignment, but guide them in softly into the middle and just wiggle back and forth until they all go in. Double check your work and make sure all the pins are in the slots. If you see a pin on the outer side, please remove the card, align the pins, and put them in centrally. You are now finished installing the card. Please listen to these disclaimers. It is imperative that you double, triple, and quadruple check your work. All the pins need to be inside the socket in the right position. If you see pins that are not in the socket, remove the card, straighten the pins, and make sure they are in the correct order and in the correct position. Failure to do this will cause major harm to your mixer. You will blow components, you will blow fuses, and you will have to send your mixer in for repair. So please verify that everything is installed correctly. If you have a vintage Bozak mixer that needs refurbished or repair, feel free to contact me.